Welcome to today's video, where we dive deep into the world of content creation and unlocking the potential to turn your passion into profit. If you've ever dreamed of monetizing your presence on YouTube and TikTok to earn $10,000 a month or more, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll unveil proven strategies and actionable steps to help you realize your financial goals while doing what you love. Whether you're a seasoned creator seeking to enhance your revenue streams or a newcomer eager to embark on this exciting journey, prepare to discover the keys to success in the realm of online content monetization. Monetizing YouTube and TikTok without relying solely on AdSense revenue can involve various strategies. Here are some methods to potentially earn $10,000 per month. Branded content and sponsorships. Collaborate with brands relevant to your niche. You can promote their products or services in your videos, posts. Negotiate deals directly with companies or join influencer marketing platforms to connect with brands. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate links in your content. You'll earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. Choose products that align with your audience's interests. Merchandise sales. Create and sell your own merchandise, e.g., branded clothing, accessories, or digital products like ebooks or presets. Use platforms like Teespring, Printful, or Shopify to set up your online store. Membership or subscription services. Offer exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, or perks to subscribers who join your membership program. You can use platforms like Patreon or YouTube memberships for this purpose. Creating and selling memberships on YouTube and TikTok can provide a recurring revenue stream and deeper engagement with your most dedicated fans. Here's how you can set up membership programs on each platform. YouTube memberships. Meet the requirements. To enable channel memberships on YouTube, you need to meet certain eligibility criteria, including having at least 30,000 subscribers. Enable memberships. Once you meet the requirements, go to your YouTube Studio dashboard and navigate to the Monetization tab. From there, select Memberships, and follow the prompts to enable the feature. Set membership tiers and perks. You can create different membership tiers, e.g., Gold, Silver, Bronze, and offer various perks for each tier. Perks can include access to exclusive content, custom badges, emojis, members-only live chats, or early access to videos. Promote memberships. Promote your membership program in your videos, channel banner, and video descriptions. Encourage viewers to join and enjoy the exclusive benefits. Engage with members. Actively engage with your members by responding to their comments, hosting members-only live streams or Q&A sessions, and fulfilling exclusive perks to make them feel valued. Monitor and adjust. Regularly monitor your membership analytics to see which perks are most popular and adjust your offerings accordingly. Listen to feedback from your members and continuously improve your membership program. TikTok memberships. TikTok Creator Fund. TikTok doesn't have a membership feature similar to YouTube. However, TikTok does offer a creator fund, which allows eligible creators to earn money based on the performance of their content. Here's how you can participate. Eligibility. To join the TikTok Creator Fund, you need to meet certain eligibility criteria set by TikTok, including having at least 100,000 followers, being over 18 years old, and consistently posting original content. Apply for the Creator Fund. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, you can apply for the Creator Fund directly within the TikTok app. TikTok will review your application and notify you of your acceptance into the program. Earn money. Once accepted into the Creator Fund, you can earn money based on the engagement and performance of your videos. TikTok calculates earnings based on factors like video views, watch time, and engagement rate. Create quality content. To maximize your earnings through the Creator Fund, focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Experiment with different video formats, trends, and storytelling techniques to keep your audience entertained and coming back for more. Stay active. Continue to post consistently and engage with your audience to maintain and grow your following on TikTok. The more active and engaged your audience is, the higher your earnings potential through the Creator Fund. Crowdfunding. Encourage your audience to support you through crowdfunding platforms like Patreon, Ko-Fi, or Buy Me a Coffee. Provide special rewards or recognition to your supporters. Consulting or coaching services. If you're an expert in your niche, offer consulting or coaching services to your audience. You can provide one-on-one sessions, group coaching, or online courses. Live events and workshops. Organize live events, workshops, or webinars related to your content. Charge admission fees or offer premium tickets with exclusive benefits. Brand partnerships. Partner with brands for sponsored content, where you might collaborate on creating unique campaigns or projects tailored to your audience. Crowdsourcing content. Involve your audience in content creation by accepting suggestions, submissions, or challenges. You can charge a fee for submissions or offer prizes for the best contributions. Sell digital products. Create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, presets, templates, or stock media related to your content niche. Consulting and coaching. If you have expertise in your niche, offer consulting services or coaching sessions to your audience for a fee. Event hosting and speaking engagements. If you're recognized as an authority in your niche, you can earn income by hosting events, workshops, or speaking engagements. Fan funding. Allow your fans to support you directly through platforms like PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App. You can encourage donations during live streams or through links in your video descriptions. Brand ambassadorships. Become a brand ambassador for companies within your niche. This involves forming long-term partnerships to represent their products or services consistently. Product reviews. Offer honest reviews of products or services in your niche. Companies may pay you for your opinion, or you can earn through affiliate links for the products you review. Digital art sales. If you're an artist, sell digital artwork or prints of your creations. Showcase your work on your channels and offer them for sale through platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Music sales and licensing. If you create music or soundtracks for your videos, sell them on platforms like Bandcamp or license them for use in other creators' content. Virtual events and workshops. Host paid virtual events, workshops, or masterclasses related to your content niche. Offer valuable insights, tutorials, or Q&A sessions. Content licensing. License your videos or TikTok content to media outlets, production companies, or other creators for use in their projects. Ensure you retain the rights to your content. Branded merchandise collaboration. Collaborate with brands to create exclusive merchandise lines. Design co-branded products that resonate with your audience and reflect your content style. Podcast sponsorship. Start a podcast related to your content niche and monetize it through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or listener support platforms like Patreon. Digital consultations or coaching. Offer personalized consultations or coaching sessions to your audience. Provide advice, guidance, or mentorship tailored to their needs. Ebooks and guides. Write and sell ebooks, guides, or digital resources sharing your expertise or insights. Offer them for sale on platforms like Amazon Kindle or through your own website. Exclusive community memberships. Create a private community or forum for your most dedicated fans. Offer exclusive content, interactions, and perks to members who subscribe or join. Voiceover services. If you have a distinctive voice, offer voiceover services for commercials, audiobooks, animations, or other projects. Live performances or concerts. If you're a musician, singer, or performer, host paid live performances or concerts for your audience. Use platforms like Twitch, StageIt, or Instagram Live for virtual shows. Language translation services. Translate your content into multiple languages or offer translation services to other creators looking to reach diverse audiences. Local workshops or events. Organize in-person workshops, meetups, or events for your local audience. Charge admission fees or partner with local businesses for sponsorship. Health and wellness coaching. If you're knowledgeable about health, fitness, or wellness, offer coaching services, meal plans, or personalized fitness programs to your audience. Photography prints. If you're a photographer, sell prints of your work through online galleries, art shows, or exhibitions. Offer limited edition prints or signed copies to increase value. Sponsored challenges or competitions. Collaborate with brands to host sponsored challenges or competitions for your audience. Encourage participation and offer prizes sponsored by the brand. Remember, building a sustainable income on YouTube and TikTok takes time, dedication, and consistency. It's essential to focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience and to engage with them actively across platforms. Remember to always comply with the terms of service and guidelines set by YouTube and TikTok when monetizing your content. Additionally, provide value to your members or followers to ensure a positive and sustainable monetization strategy. Additionally, diversifying your revenue streams can provide stability and mitigate risks associated with relying solely on one income source. These methods can help you diversify your revenue streams and create additional income opportunities beyond traditional advertising. Choose strategies that align with your content, expertise, and audience preferences for the best results. As we conclude today's discussion, remember that the path to monetizing your YouTube and TikTok channels isn't just about numbers. It's about building genuine connections with your audience and delivering value that resonates. By implementing the strategies we've discussed and staying committed to your craft, you're not only paving the way to financial freedom but also cultivating a community that supports and uplifts one another. So, go forth with confidence, creativity, and a steadfast determination to achieve your goals. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video, where we continue this journey together towards success. Until then, keep creating and thriving.